Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see what the score is today. Just because I feel cooked. Anyway, let's see what the score is. Oh, update. Right, let's do an update then. Oh shoot, I need to put money into my personal account. 1 second. Log into the IC markets account. Gosh. It doesn't remember the password. Please work. That worked. Oh my god, how's that work? Ah, okay, yeah. That's the wrong code. Oh, right, wicked. I got it. Ooh. Right, fund your account. The money's in. Right, so 1,000 fund now by PayPal. Yeah, okay, so 230 point. All right. Get calculate. Yeah, 230.39 point. Had it done. Yeah, boom diggity doo. And I got 2k in the personal account. Probably afford to stick another quid in. I think 2k is enough. Alright, so I've topped up the personal with a little bit more money. I'm gonna have to do a lot of waiting here because there's not much happening. Oh bloody hell, silver's wow. Holy moly, silver, wow. Equal highs, that's suspicious. That's very suspicious. I think this is gonna keep going higher because you left kind of an equal high right here, and then we got the previous weekly high right there as well. If you're gonna do a Monday, Tuesday push up and a Wednesday drop down, don't make no sense because today's Tuesday, yeah. So it could do a Monday push up, Tuesday drop down, even maybe. Ugh. I mean, it did take that high and then drop down. Back at this midline level again. Hard to say. According to DXY, if DXY is going to push up, gold should drop, but DXY's been gold's been pretty strong even against a strong dollar, which is a bit confusing. I don't get why. You done? Man like Neville is on it. Oh, Neville, you're a good kid. God. Nothing on there. I still want to really take. GU still holding really strong. Nice. GJ not looking for that. NZD too much dollar exposure. GBPCHF very choppy pair, man. Minor 50. Don't know if I can trade it through all my accounts. Silver bullish. Doesn't match the mold of a war starting and stuff like that. Dollar strength and then all that stuff. I like having a Discord, man. You get some cool people in there. Anyway, so let's if we're gonna break this low, I think at that point it's safe to say we're probably gonna continue the short direction. If you break this high, then it might be prices continuing the overall long direction. If you break the short, then it's just volume coming in because it loads well, tag a supply zone, or it won't take the high. When it's made an equal high, come down, and then it might take it the day after or a couple days after, or even in the New York session. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait and see where that goes. No rush on that. With gold, I'll mark this zone out there, and then probably I'll stay around here, maybe. Yeah, perfect. Let's keep an eye on EU and G on the screen that I've got here. Holy shit, that was quick. That was freaking quick. Get rid of that one. Instead, we had this here that got taken there, then continued the move higher. That failed, that didn't. That was the second leg there.
This is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Oh man, what a guy. Anyway, so I don't know what to do with USD CAD, bro. It's such a tricky one. It's took that level out, yeah. Well, I took the yesterday's high there anyways. Let's just position that back again. First, technically you took that high as well, right? Yeah. And then after this level is where we started to see pretty stout level of volume coming in. Yep. Then we took that move back up, took that London Open. Oh, London Open did a fat sweep on the upside. If you create a lower high and then a drop down, I'm willing to consider that. I'm just going to mark out this high in case you end up taking the low to move higher, although shouldn't happen, but anything can happen in the markets. That's going to go over to New York session most likely, yeah. It looks like USD CAD's probably gonna flip downwards, isn't it? And then we've got a lovely zone as well for it to target with the massive impulsive gap. So if you do drop on USD CAD, then we should see a rise on what's its face. Where's USD CAD? There's no USD CAD on this list. No. Maybe it's 15 past already. We still haven't really had much of a move yet. Right, pound's going up. This has definitely tipped and tripped. We took that level out. First leg, kind of. If I class as a sweep, I would say equal highs. Volume is on both sides. I can't figure out if there's a specific direction volume related wise. Wait. Okay, so GU's just. I still think that's kind of an equal high. I wanted to properly wick that level. God damn it. So that was beautiful. USD CAD dropped, EUGU flew up. But the issue is now, yeah. Oh, that's on the wrong asset. You're now 8:30, so I can give it till about 9. Yeah. Hmm? So we've took that high, we've had a beautiful wick rejection on the M2, yeah? And then we've got M5 zone right here. Let's see if this is going to continue to go higher or it's going to dip down. That's a big zone. What goes this value because it's a London open demand zone, in it. If you start to see a rejection off of here, I could just flip to long really, like longs really quickly. Come on, what are we saying then? So we haven't taken out this invalid zone. That we've tagged into it, we're getting a potential reaction. If you take out some highs and drop down, that gives me more confidence in going long. And if I can get that confidence in going short on USD CAD, then that could also support me on doing the opposite with the GU. Let's see what happens with this bad boy. Yes, Malak Sahadistan. What's going on? But I love China, man. China donates over 2.2 million solar panels to repair Cuba's power grid. Honestly, so good. What are you saying, Saad? I wanted to go short USD card, but obviously it grabbed this level here and then just melted down. It's already tagged the invalid zone, give it a bit of reaction already, and I think it's gonna fail. Bro, USD card, I swear it's following normal structure, man, today. EU, GU, I'm still uncertain. It looks like it is, but that's first leg. Did that just tag that zone? Oh shit, it did tag that zone. Nah, I mean, USD card's looking good. EU's not so bad. GU, not sure about GU, but EU's looking nice, and so is this. I wanted to go long on silver, but it kind of left with no entry, and I was tagged the invalid zone. It's shorting off. Oh, what's new anyway, Saad? Anything cool going on? Is your family back? Your brother back? Or are you just going home because you got bored or whatever? Gold is dropping now. Yo, gold is. I just put a bit more money in my personal account, by the way. Now I've got 2k in there. Oh, that's good, man. I got 2k in the Percy now. So a nice little TP on there would now be quite a lot. Honestly, I love M1, man. It's so good. If I catch a good Arbor, even on 2k account, I can still make like nearly 1,000, bro. And do 50% account growth almost. Fantastic. First leg, second leg, tagged there, reacted there, tagged there again. I still can't take that. Although technically, in September, I could be risky and choose to take that with the 1.2, 2.2, maybe like a 2.7 pip stop loss and then target right there. Even after it tagged an invalid zone. It depends how aggressive I'm going to be, I suppose, in September. I'm not sure. I might be quite aggressive and then just do very small risk. I'm not sure. Personally, it's so good, man. I don't want to get. I'm not buying any more prop firms. I'm done with the prop firm accounts for the moment, bro. I've got 700k there. 100's funded. I just want to get like 300-400k funded more, and then just get 2-3-4% on those accounts, just to make 10-20k in my personal ASAP, because I can live off of a 10-20k personal account with the way I trade M1 and stuff like that.
Voice news disconnected.
Oh wow, probably because there's no news in it. A 20k account, bro, I can live off of that. Like even a 10k account, I can live off of it. No, well, you think about it, yeah. A 10k account with a 2% risk is 200, yeah. And then if I hit a 1 to 10, that's 2k. If I hit a 1 to 15, that's 3k. If I hit a 1 to 20, that's 4k. That's just for one trade. If I was to land 2 trades a month, 3 trades a month, yeah, you're talking like... Oh, no, I meant an account. I meant an account, bro. Like, account size. But realistically, you know, whilst I've been trading, yeah, this last year, I've lived off of about 8k total. About £400-500 a month I've been living off. But that's because I've just been very focused on trading and reducing expenditure and stuff like that. I can live tight, to be fair. Yeah, I can live tight if I have to, bro. I don't prefer it, but you know, another thing is, Sahad, yeah, I don't really do much anyway. Like, I don't really... I built the computer and stuff like that. Other than that, it's mainly food, bro, and I don't really spend that much on food, innit? I don't really buy stuff because the stuff I like is expensive. Like, expensive shit. Like, I want a new phone, it's $2,000, the one that I want. I'm not gonna get a $2,000 phone. I'm not gonna get one that's in the middle because I want the good shit only. So I'd rather just keep what I got until I get the money for a good thing. That makes sense. Yeah, so I'm not that bothered, man. That makes sense, innit? I'm not that concerned. But obviously, when I do make like a lot of money from trading, then I'll be more inclined to buy. I also, like, how can I put it? Even if I make loads of money from trading, I don't want to turn into someone who starts wasting money in it. Because I think being a bit tight is good, to be fair. Like, not tight, but like, just don't waste money on stupid shit, innit? I'd rather give the money to charity or something like that, man. Like, I never spend loads of money on clothes. I don't want like to spend like a couple $100s on jeans and stuff like that. I'd rather just buy something reasonably priced as long as it's good quality and it looks okay. But I know people who just spend bare money on clothes and all that stuff. I'm not bothered by that stuff. I was when I was younger. When I was in my like younger age and stuff like that, I would spend bare money on clothes and all that stuff, but I'm not really bothered anymore, man. Yeah, like you can if it's reasonable, like, but you don't have to get like $150, $200 shirts and stuff like that. When there's a $60 shirt that's really good brand and it looks nice and it looks okay, it's comfortable, why not just get the $60? Don't get it. I'd rather put that money into trading. I'd rather put that money into fixing my car so I can race it. I'd rather put that money into other things. You know what I mean? And if I was catching like 50, 100 grand trading days, it'd still kind of be the same, innit? You'd probably treat yourself more often to something, but you wouldn't make it a norm, innit? Like, oh, I'm going to buy everything top end now. I'd value it as, I'd see it as treating myself to something good, innit? But yeah, I'm kind of low cost, man. I'm like low cost when it comes to living. The only thing I'd spend loads of money on is food. Like, I like nice food, but you can make nice food yourself at home. Like it's not expensive. You don't have to go to like $200-300 restaurants when half the stuff isn't that good anyway, man. I don't know. I'm a bit funny like that, but because I'm still desi to an extent, innit? Like, Alan was it Alan that was saying it? Was it someone else? They said that when you start making money from trading, your life's going to change the way you spend money. I was like, not really. I think it's wasteful. Yeah, exactly. Like, the lifestyle will get better, but it won't be like living like a millionaire because we're not that materialistic or whatever you want to call it, innit? Yeah, allow it, bro.
Well, hello everybody, this is a Dot of J Trap. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase. It's saved 67% on the subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Good old quantity, mate. That'll be refund. That'll be refund for that 200k account, bro. Like flipping, how much is it? $800. If I chuck that into my personal account, yeah, fucking hell, you know what I mean? That'd be a big difference, man. Just take. When my brother came back, the cat didn't want to go to him. He started hissing at him. Toby is like, fuck off. I'm staying in Sahad now. Oh. Take the cat in him, man. Just say, oh, I want the cat. Is it his or his missus cat? Like, who got it? Was it her or him? Oh, right. So he wanted it. Yeah. Don't you live with you? Wait, don't you live with like your sister and your mum or something like that? What the hell, Sahads? Yo, you Indians are crazy, bro. Yo, you're wild. You're wild. Even then it's risky, bro. What if they just walk into your room or something like that, you know what I mean? And then they see Sahad full on jungle spec. Oh god. Did they see Rajput, the jungle man? Full nanga, mate. You can see a small piece of lead flinging around everywhere. Oh, yo. Oh, God. Perfect. So we took that level now. Now. Volume, everything's on the short side, so I'm going to get rid of that. And now we could... My door's locked. Okay, got you. Yeah. Don't they be like, why you locked your door for? What are you doing in the room? My family's annoying like that, I swear. Oh. What do you mean, like Karachi? One hell of a strand. I don't get it. Don't get that. The G is holding, E is dripping down. Gold's pushed back up again. Like 30-40 odd pips. Silver's not done much. Silver's just taking this low. Now, is it gonna push up from here and take this zone out or not? I feel like price action's been a little bit better recently, man. I don't know. It's just me. I mean, as long as they do the job, I don't really care, innit? I don't really care about stuff like that. If they make money, bro, they make money, innit? You know, when you look at all these hedge funds and stuff like that, they're not asked, bro. They're like, how much money, what's your portfolio? Like 300 million profit. Yeah, mate, we'll take that. That's a mad one, bro. That's a mad one. Ugh. No funny. Ahadistan. Oil. I love oil. Every time I see the word oil, I just think Amal. You're like, where is brother Amal? Someone's here mentioning oil. Feel like he has to be part of the conversation. Why you deleted it? I haven't taken a trade yet, man. In the art, I'll let you know. I'm taking a trade in it. Pundit's down 3.7 or 3.8%. Some of my challenger cards. Some of my phase 2s. Yeah, I got phase 2 accounts. Yeah, they're in like 7% drawdown or something like that, which I don't mind anyway. And the phase 1s, some are in 2-3% drawdown, some are in like 90% drawdown, but I don't mind. I'm in no rush. Nah, not really. It's the same, bro. Phase 2 is the same as phase 1. You just turn up and do your job, innit? Nah, I mean, you just carry on doing the same thing, innit, Amal? You just turn up and do your job, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. So that got swerved, price dropped down. Here's the next level that got swerved. What the hell am I supposed to do with that? Gold did a fat move, that was lovely. That was fantastic. Get rid of 7, get rid of 930. Now we've just taken Asia high. Actually, second. Aha. We had a pretty stout move there, didn't we? Just suddenly pushed up. Yeah, I don't see any difference, bro. I think when you start looking at stuff like that, then it just causes all sorts of psychological issues. I see phase 2 as same as phase 1. I see funded same as phase 1. You just do your job and that's it. That's why I didn't rush to get funded. My idea was that whatever gets me funded is the way I should be trading when I am funded, but less risk, basically. So if I'm risking 1% to get funded and I made 10% and then I made 15% in like, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 months, as a professional, you're looking for about 2-3% per month for a career. So then I said, okay, I'll take the same approach then to get funded. It's going to be a longer journey, but it's going to be a more reliable, consistent journey. Because I don't want to get profitability, I want to get consistency. Yeah, I believe I've skipped profitability and I landed straight on consistency. I believe that. Because I've not blew any accounts yet. ACG accounts got blown because when I first set them up to the trade copier, all the accounts were doing perfectly fine. That kept hitting L on break-even trades, everything. So then when I set it on its own copier, then it's perfectly fine. And then the account got blown anyway because it took like 3-4% extra drawdown for no reason. So when that account got blown, I wasn't really bothered. What else did I have? I had 2 accounts taken off of me, funded engineer, 50k taken off me by Quantecall, 200k taken off me by Quantecall. I had the 3-step accounts with FXify, but the spreads were so bad that break even was still of like a 0.5% loss or something like that. They're in 80-90% drawdown. Once again, if I lose those accounts, I don't class that as a loss because it's just like technical issues linking it with the trade copier, figuring out how to make all of that work together, because sometimes the spreads are mad on different firms, man. Yeah, bro, FXify spreads are so bad. Customer, oi. Bro, their raw spread EU account is still 0.4, 0.5 pip spread. Customer mad. I think futures are better, but I've already got prop firm accounts. If I had futures, I would trade EU, GU, UJ, GJ, gold, and then I would start trading indices as well. But with exactly, because like when I'm having these spread issues, with these other firms, I don't think it's just, how can I put it? Customer really bad spreads. So those accounts might get blown, but I don't care because it's not me, it's the spread related issue and stuff like that. So I'm not bothered by it, innit? We're still shit though. Gold is interesting one, eh? Okay, fucking gold's an interesting one, eh, mate? Get rid of that alert. Go back to silver. You're almost at 930. That almost took that level out. I mean, it's by a pipit in it. So yeah, but other than that, all the other accounts are fine. And obviously I'm on a 10 trade losing streak. I did have more aggressive risk on the 2-step ACG accounts. Is what it is, isn't it? So ACG futures shut down. Yeah, I don't know what the issue with that was. I don't know, man. Whenever I see firms doing loads of discounts and stuff like that, I just automatically think red flag. Just automatically think red flag. Yeah, when I see big discounts, bro, I automatically think red flag, honestly. Anyway, that was the first zone to short, that was the second zone to short. Here was the third zone. The third zone tagged, but I didn't like it, I'll be honest. That's on my day, huh? Before there was no such words such as discount in 5 years. Now they're joining the discount gang. Yeah, that's funny, bro. They need the money in it. They need the liquidity. Hey, Mangi Karibu, bro. What's going on, bro? Brother Mwangi, what is going on? Yeah, another shit London, to be honest, innit? Another shit London session. Not much pippy movement. Yeah, hour and 15 minutes, got 11 pip range. USD CAD was the only one that really moved good. I used to look at this, man. This was lovely. And this is moved how much? Like 20 pips. This is what's good to diversify. I'm so happy with this, honestly. This was really good. I'm just sad I didn't get structure there. And then it tagged into this zone. Then it swept this high hit. Wait, then it swept. Go down. Swept this high. Tagged into this zone. Then moved down. Wanted to short from here. Didn't come there. Wanted to short from here. Didn't come there. Ended up shorting from here. Oh, that's a bit of a red flag, I think. Let me have a look. Oh yeah, that's a red flag. Yeah, I definitely can't do that. So, yeah. Yeah, USD CAD was good though. USD CAD was good. Euro dollar was good. Like from half of Frankfurt, like this move up here was clean. This drop down was clean. But then it's just ranged after that, hasn't it? Just pretty much ranged after that. Might start prep for New York then, I suppose. It's NFP week, innit, guys? So it might be difficult. No, because it's NFP week, innit? Markets might just be a bit tricky because of that. What to talk about, boys? What to talk about? You as well then. I think that was the M5 zone, wasn't it? Yeah. Wangi, how's your trading been? Good, bad? USD card's so nice, man. Wow. That was lovely today. I used to have an entry model where if you started to create a wick on that level, after taking a zone, you could take a direct entry on the wick. So like if it is like in the last 20 seconds of the candle or 10 seconds of the candle, if it starts to create a ginormous wick, I would take a direct short on there. And then I used to catch like a 1 pip SL. Bro, that was mad, but it was way too risky. Way too risky. Yeah, that was 50-50 right now. Yeah, a bit difficult, innit? Bit difficult at the moment. A bit tricky. Got 8 pips down, A19 up. Got 13 over here. I'm just gonna cover that low for New York. Markets have been interesting, man. They've definitely been interesting, haven't they? Pretty much called this out perfectly. I'm so close to taking these highs. I think, yeah, that silver's gonna short down as soon as the war starts again. And why do I say that? Because I just don't see America giving up. They won't let go of Israel, and Iran's die hard. So I just see the dollar getting like stronger again as the war restarts again, because I just don't see America detaching from them until elections, where you get someone who's pro-Palestine and they'll be like, we'll force an end to the war. If that person wins, then we can see something happen. But if Trump continues, then yeah, I just don't see. Oh shit, what was on there?
SoftBank Corp CEO Junichi Miyakawa speaks on earnings call. SoftBank Corp forecasts 30% yearly growth for cloud and AI operations through FY27.
Let's have a look at oh wow, we're back at neutral, man. Look at that. Are we back at 0 on EU, GU and USD CAD? What the hell? Bonds up, indices kind of up, oil still up, gas is up for the UK, NZD USD is also neutral, that's interesting. AUD USD is up by 0.3. AUD, do I have AUD NZD? No, I don't. The Emirat stock market is up by 1%. Right, boys, are we done? You guys got nothing to talk about? Nothing you want to say? I think that's a no from you guys. Markets have been tricky, bro. They've been quite tricky. Yeah, peace out, bro. I think we're kind of done, aren't we? I don't see much. Oh wait, pushing up again on pound. So if we're pushing up, we need to look for the next potential level. That's all the way over here. I don't know if pound's gonna do such a move. That's like another 15 pips. It could do it. Could do it. Yeah, Mwangi, when are you gonna get your prop challenge and stuff like that? There's a 9:30 candle. Yeah, nothing for me, mate. Nothing for me at all. I'll stick around for about 10-15 minutes in it if you guys got anything to talk about, and then after that I'll go. I think Mwangi's still doing demo at the moment, isn't he? Until he gets money, I think he said. Right, Mwangi? think
Hong Kong June retail sales value increases 4.6% year on year, estimate 8.5%. HK June retail sales volume climbs 2.3% year on year, forecast was 5.8%.
I think Mongi's already left. Right, boys, I'll take it easy then. Let me. Copy paste message into chat. Alright, take it easy, boys. I'll trade New York session for sure. Because you got quite a bit of news in New York. You've got US trade balance 130, Jolt's job openings, so that might give a bit of movement. So I'll definitely look at New York and see if there's any opportunity there. Right then, boys, take it easy. Have a good one, yeah? Peace.
Voice news disconnected.
Hit like as well if you haven't. Thank you.